Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. In the previous episode, we learned about the side-by-side bar chart in Tableau. In today's episode, we will cover the hour time bar chart. This is very popular chart that you will find in almost every dashboard. Here we are looking at the bar chart that represents sales data over time, over the months for 2 consecutive years, 2021 and 2022. This chart allows us to compare monthly sales trends across different quarters, giving us insights into seasonal patterns and yearly growth. As we break down this chart, we will see how the height of each bar corresponds to the total sales for that month. For example, notice how sales peak in August 2021 with a significant drop in January 2022. Such trends can highlight key periods of high and low activity, which are important to understand for business planning and strategy. So let's get started and build this chart together. First, I will put the year dimension into column. Next, I will add the sales year to the rows. Tableau will automatically display a line chart as default. In the mark section, I will change the chart type from line to bar. Now we have a bar chart showing sales over years, which looks great. To add more details, I will click on this plus button. This will break down the data into quarters, giving us more detailed view of sales over time. I can click this plus option again to get data broken down by months. Initially, we see sales data for each year, then we drill down into quarters, further drilling down on month basis. This hour time bar chart is very useful for analyzing trends and patterns over different time periods. It helps us understanding how sales fluctuate over years, quarters and months. Now I will select entire view. Then I will put sales on label to get data labels. Then click on sales year. Select format. In pan, select number. Then select custom number. Then make decimal to 0. More, we can select unit of numbers from here. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you found this episode helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Tableau charts. See you in the next episode of this incredible playlist where we are creating the Tableau charts one by one.